What's up everybody, welcome back to my new devlog video which may help you in your own game development. I have a lot to talk about. Recently I have created two ship models, a dragonfly which does not look 1% like a dragonfly, I just liked the name, and of course the fork. Do not ask me about these names, they are indeed cringe as some would say. So let's get to business. I have developed the movement by just using quaternion rotations, which are the main way to rotate stuff in 3D games. I have created a few command pattern objects like this: pitch up, pitch down, look left, look right, etc, etc. I might as well create strafe right, left, but for now I do not care about it, as I only want to start implementing my behavior tree code from my editor. One thing that many of you might come across as an issue, as I have, is you have put vector2 instead of vector3 in some function argument. Look at this, for 2 days I was wondering why the hell that turret does not follow the mouse position. It was because I forgot to put vector3 as an argument to my command function, and so I was basically loading vector3 without a z coordinate to my turret function aim at. Literally just watch out for the variable naming. Now, about the useful part. Some may be wondering how to create that turret rotation. If you have two parts of the turret, the stand which can only rotate around its up axis, and the gun which can move only up and down, how can you make sure that turret aims correctly at some location? Basically, you read 3D Math Primer for games and graphics development, link is in the description by the way. No, but really, I have read chapter about polar coordinates and just use the formulas from there for heading and pitch values. And there it is, my turret can move correctly, just like in Freelancer game. So this is one use of polar coordinates. By the way, I have just downloaded Freelancer now, just to look how the movement of the ship and the feel of the game and how it looks like. Might as well play Discovery Freelancer mode. Those were the times, some of you might remember. One of my goals is to create movement just like in Freelancer or close to it, and just create a normal spaceship shooter, nothing much about it. This is my small project. I have talked about it in the previous video about how you should keep your scope smaller, so this is my smaller scope project. It is easier now because I have already developed code for my AI and already got somewhat comfortable with 3D math. The code written for AI is only in 2D, but I will try to convert it to 3D. I want to make enemy ships move like in Freelancer. Move away, then randomly stop to turn around, and then thrust towards you, and shoot and roll randomly, stuff like that. I am having tons of fun using math formulas for such things, and for some weird reason, I love raycasting, so another goal is to raycast from my mouse to the screen, and if the ray is colliding with some object, I should animate the cursor to rotate, like some target reticle. When I finish all of this, I will move on to the creation of projectiles. Gonna watch some tutorial videos on how to do a VFX for those things, and it will be extremely fun, as I have never worked on VFX before and I'm kinda eager to learn about it. And of course, I will create even more ship models. I have watched many tutorials and I have come to the conclusion that I enjoy creating sci-fi models, not the donuts, so I will continue doing that. Well, I guess this concludes this video. Thank you for watching and please smash that like button and subscribe.